Hello and welcome to RC Birds, and thanks for stopping by. And again, it's time to participate in the Poor Boys RC Speedrun Challenge. This was the car I used in the last year, where the T21, T2R2 race was. I plan to do the series in a more waffling style than structured style. This is completely new to me, and for the presentation of my project and the build, I'll try to do this, and I hope you like it. So let's jump right into it. This was a car I had driven last year. I reached 34.9 miles an hour. This wasn't a top speed, but for me it was good. I tested out my possibilities. I first started with the Euro truck body, then changed the exponential, changed the duro rate, got my experiences, changed the body into another truck, and then I got the CLK Mercedes body. And as you can see, I also got my Grid Girl body here. So let me show you what I planned for this year. First, let's start with the car. We have to use the MF-01X chassis. I ordered the Jimny. I don't use the Jimny. It's more kind of a rally car and not so aerodynamical as a body I choose to use in this competition. This is a really compact chassis. I like that the car already has a toe out in the front and a toe in the rear. Just a standard Tamiya box. I don't open it up yet, because I will change many parts that are in there and do my own stuff. And therefore I have this box. So let me rearrange the camera. The rules say you have to use a Tamiya body, and I choose the Lotus Europa Special. But there are many more parts in. These are foam tires. My friend Markus from MS Fun Racer had these last year and had a very good experience with it. So I tried. I also got some cheap Chinese wheels, which have a very interesting race pattern or profile. In addition, I have some Tamiya race tires, and for sure I can use the rally tires which are in the kit. For the Tamiya tires I also had some foam, a motor mount in metal, and again this year I do my racing livery as in the last year. And as long as we are talking about a Tamiya set, ball bearings, some Chinese oil fill shocks, two different steel pinions from Carson, a 20 kilogram servo, waterproofed, and I like to go on a 2S LiPo, so I needed a 1060 with a Dienst T plug. Speed gears, my 13T Chinese motor, which I used last year too. This is great, this is fast, but it also gets very hot. For sure I need some shims. Something to save the body from scratches. A receiver, to this I come later. I also found in my cellar. This is medium oil from Tamiya, the 500 and the 600. I think I try the 600. I want to have the car a very hard suspension. I hope this motor cooler with a fan will get on the motor. And yeah, later on for the body, some of my license plates. There are also white ones in the package. I don't put them out here. And speaking of stickers, I think I go this way. These are XXX main stickers. And for sure we have here in the box all the parts which I need to build up the Lotus body. I don't think I use all the stickers. And here is the nice body. I think this will be really aerodynamic. This is great. And it also has a wing for the rear to get some downforce. Oh, and I forgot, I promised you to talk about the receiver. This is a receiver for 7 channels from Carson. I don't need the 7 channels, but I need the gyro in it. So this is my radio I use for the competition. It's a reflex real LCD 7-channel radio. So far these are my plans. Next week I do the build. Please let me know what you think about my car. I wish every viewer and competitor a lot of fun with this year's speed change. I thank Phil for organizing all this. You find a video about the rules in the description of this video, and also an invitation for my German viewers. Have fun, be excellent to each other, and see you soon on RC Birds!